This is Mr. Green and Red, and your S&P morning market mindset is as follows. We have this really big move going lower. That's obviously cascading going lower and lower and lower. So we did already get that pullback that we were expecting, and we've already retested the low. Now, from this perspective, we were looking at the market basically doing 1 to 2 variations here, okay? Either you're going to notice if I get rid of this, we are going to break down going further, which really doesn't really need to be talked about at this point because we're not breaking down, or we're going to go back up to retest this prior high right here, okay? So we are already done with essentially like 3 different trades for today. So what we have here on the docket is what we should be worried about, okay? Either we're going to push up at this level, find ourselves in some sort of GNR pattern as the market now looks to rotate back down to this prior low, keeping this overall range here intact, okay? So we could look at the market like that. Let me get rid of some of this stuff in the middle. All right. And alternatively, what we could look for, if this isn't going to be this red case scenario soon to be, then we should be looking for the obvious blue case scenario that you see on the screen since the beginning of the video. And that would dictate overall that we're going to be in a direct path going higher. So realistically, to try to buy this thing as it goes up, we're going to have to break through that prior high that sits right here at 68.56 and 3/4. Looking for some sort of big bullish move like so, and then ultimately looking to buy off that level of resistance that is now going to be support here, okay? So that's the general game plan as far as the next few hours, I would say. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm looking at. Now, there's obviously a chance that we can range out up here, and we will have to tackle that completely different. Given the momentum at the current price action, we would assume that the price will pull back momentarily and then go back to the upside. All right, so this is a third alternative just in case you do see something like this. And as always, there are several different variations that we didn't go over. So if you do want to look at exactly how I'm trading it, I have a live stream starting in about 5 minutes for all the members of the Patreon/Discord. Thanks for watching. See you in the next candle.